What's up, aliens? Today we're going to find out what's inside a F3 portable field monitor. Nothing simple about it. 4 measly screws and I'm in. And I'll just unplug those just to make it easier. And that's it. Hopefully that can be seen alright. Well, there's a data sheet for that one. RTD26608. I've already downloaded it, but I'll post the link. 401 pages. That's pretty good. Stop and pause, take a minute. It's a HDMI VGA NTSC PAL driver. Flat panel display controller. Back to the editing. Notice how it's missing 2 channels over here. Correspond to these 2. Oh look. It's nothing more than just a sheet of flimsy plastic. But channel 1 and channel 2, it would be for, yeah, more audios and more inputs and more outputs. I like how it's hardly populated. Missing, it's like really missing. I mean, there's enough on there. It works pretty fine. I had this crazy thought. What about if I mirrorcast using a mirrorcast or an Anycast? I can cast my cell phone to this. So I tried it out on the computer just the other day and it worked perfectly fine. Booted perfectly fine. The resolution was just a tiny bit off, but that's to be expected. I'm not complaining for 80 New Zealand dollars. Come on, you can get in there. But yeah, I was thinking a mirrorcast. Because of the wide range of voltage, 6 to 18 volt, I could use a 3S or even a 4S LiPo battery pack from an RC car, and I can use that to power it. But I've already gone and ordered some batteries, so I'll use those for now. But I was thinking of that battery pack because those battery packs normally have the DC connector, but they also have another one, charging. But you can get 5 volts out of that, and 5 volts can power the Anycast. So by rights, I should be able to cast my cell phone to this without having the need of a cable. Gonna try and do it all wireless, but I know, a bit of a joke. But on the other thing I was thinking, I came across some Intel compute sticks on trademe, like dirt cheap, like $30, and another one 50, and another one was at 80, and I'm like, oh yeah, I want to bring back the Intel Atom tablet, yeah baby. We'll get it running nice and hot. What do you think? Okay, Intel Atom running on something like this. Tiny as. Get a little mini as keyboard, set it up, and you'll be away laughing. But she is tiny tot. Absolutely tiny. Only 7 inches. That is how tiny that is. Look at them size of them pixels. That is tiny as. Oh, I know, I can go even further. That's right, I was watching The Disaster Facing Mr. Beast, upper echelon. She's small, itty bitty tiny. I wonder, what's the display like? Display settings. Oh, no way. That's not right. The screen has a max resolution of 1200 by 800, I think. Are we looking at 1080p there? Damn. All good. All good. But yeah, so trying to get it on that clip. So that's a tiny as field monitor. The whole reason why I'm doing this with this monitor is because I got that the other day for 80 and stuck on a cell phone cage, which I want to get an alloy one of these, and I want to change that into carbon fiber. I want to essentially slap this on the top there, or anywhere really, but somewhere down below, somewhere up top, I don't know. But yeah, so that's my plan, or one of them. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and sub. Peace.